Why does light bend? It's not because it's being pulled, it follows a natural path through what we call valleys of tension. You've probably heard the phrase, light is bent by gravity. At first, it might sound like there's some invisible force tugging at light, pulling it off its course. However, in the context of the energy filament theory, we need to revise this idea. Light is not being dragged. Instead, it moves across an energy sea that's filled with valleys of tension and bends naturally in response to these valleys. As discussed earlier in Season 2, the universe is filled with an energy sea. Where the tension is higher, the valley becomes deeper. It's like walking into a narrow valley as you move from a region of lower tension to a place of higher tension. The tighter the valley, the easier the path, similar to walking downhill. Gravity, in this framework, is simply the tendency for everything to naturally slide into these valleys of tension. So, what exactly is light? Light is a thin, short, twisted filament of energy, always choosing the smoothest and easiest route through the energy sea. If the energy sea is nearly uniform in tension across the space, the easiest path would be straight, which is why we commonly say light travels in a straight line. But when a tighter valley of tension appears nearby, the path through it becomes smoother with less resistance. As the light's twisted filament encounters this path, it shifts slightly, causing the light's overall trajectory to curve along with the valley. No external force is physically pulling the light. It's simply following the path of least resistance, as guided by the energy sea. The energy sea essentially directs the light, saying, "This path has less resistance, follow this route." So light, following this principle, naturally bends toward this more efficient path. In the energy filament theory, light bends because it always chooses the path of least resistance. Massive celestial bodies create deep valleys of tension within the energy sea, and this bending is a natural consequence of light following those valleys. The bending of light isn't due to an external force pulling it, but rather the properties of the energy sea itself shaping its path. For more insights, check out the next episode, Can Light Turn into a Particle? How does light grow an electron? Follow and share to help spread these new physics ideas and gain a deeper understanding of the universe's mysteries.